Unlock unstoppable confidence and magnetic attraction. Live your best life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for subscribing. And we're talking about magnetic attraction. Magnetic attraction deals with the law of attraction. It deals actually with a thing called the law of vibration. Now, one of the ways that you excite magnetic attraction, to be able to attract whatever you desire, the love that you desire, the money you desire, the health and vitality, all of that, you can have it all with magnetic attraction, but it starts with unstoppable confidence. So I'm going to share with you some keys to building this magnetic attraction and unstoppable confidence. Number one, high flyers, connect to source energy. Take a few moments each day to understand that you have a purpose. You have a reason for being here. Your life has meaning. And the moment that you begin to say, the only meaning to my life is to just get by. The only meaning to my life is to just get my boyfriend back. The only meaning to my life is to just get a job. The only meaning to my life is to just sit and chill out. Okay, all of those are fine, but why are you here? What is your reason? What is your destiny? What is your purpose? And that you find out when you connect with source energy, because source energy flows through you, the God force energy. And as that energy flows through you, you start to live from the inside out. And that's confidence, and that's personal power, and that's magnetism. So high flyers, number two on my list is be the best version of yourself each and every day. Whatever you did yesterday, whatever level you reached, you can go a little higher the next day. Focus on being the best version of you. And the way you do that is by speaking your truth and being true to yourself. Operate yourself not just from the head, but from the heart, from your soul, from your connection to source energy. By operating from that center, within the center of yourself, you now are moving in harmony with the universe as a co-creator and manifesting the life that you desire and the life that you deserve. Number three is to rewrite your story. Don't let anybody, don't let your family, don't let your friends, don't let the community, don't let anybody rewrite your story or tell you what your story is. Look at your story is about personal empowerment. Your story is about overcoming struggle. Your story is about living a fulfilling, abundant life filled with love and joy and happiness and peace and spiritual contentment. Rewire your mind by rewriting your story. You, high flyers, you are the author of your own life. Claim that right now. Write that down below here. Start writing right now. I am the author of my own life. I am the author of my own destiny. Well, we've gone through this before, but number four is still important. I have to include it. This is very important to increasing your magnetism and your personal power, is eliminate words such as can't, have to, hope, try, maybe I can do it. Maybe it'll happen. I'm trying to have a positive mental attitude. By the way, it's not about trying. It's about living. It's about doing. Well, I hope everything works out right. I believe you, Robert. I hope it works. Let's get beyond hope. Hope's a good starting place, but let's get to the next level. Let's go beyond hope to the level of knowingness, absolute knowingness. I know that I know that I know. I have to. I have to pay the bills. Hey, I'm privileged to pay the bills. And can't. You know, my grandmother used to say, if you can say the word I can't, you can say the words I can just as easily. It's your choice to say I can't. So right now, you can make a new choice in your life. And that choice is to say I can. Write it down below. I can. And then fill in the blank. I can have the relationship of my dreams. I can have $1 million in my bank account. I can have a new car. I can. You have no limit. You have no boundaries. Your mind is connected to the infinite source, the infinite field of potential. You are a co-creator of your reality. Number 5 is you need to become a fitting container for whatever it is you desire to attract in your life. Confident people are people that say, I am creating myself. I will learn what I need to learn. I will become what I need to become in order to be the best magnet for whatever it is I desire to attract. I am a magnet. High flyers, number 6 is exercise. Daily movement of your body. Your body is vibration. And when you exercise your body, you are increasing its vibration, thereby increasing its magnetism. I've had the great privilege of knowing some great weightlifters, some great athletes, and you can feel their energy, their vitality. That's the key word, vitality. You can feel their vitality when they walk into a room. You can feel it because it's dynamic, it's electric, it's magnetic. Make a commitment to exercise, move your body every day, yoga, walking, swimming, bicycling, whatever it is you desire. And finally, eat a plant-based diet. A plant-based diet is essential. Look we're not just talking about putting some paint over our body and just walking around going, I'm just going to think with positive thinking. That's okay, but that's just a beginning. We're going inside. We're changing everything from the inside out. And so that includes connection with source energy and all the way down to eating a plant-based diet. Now, I'm not going to be the person to tell you that you must become a vegan. I don't think you need to. I don't think you need to be a vegetarian. But I do believe you need to eat a primarily plant-based diet, and it can't have any chemical fertilizers on it or any of that thing. In other words, eat organic, eat whole foods. And that's not a plug for the place. Just eat whole foods. Eat clean. You're eating clean, you're thinking clean, you're acting clean, you're exercising. I mean, everything is taking you to a whole new level. You can't help, high flyers, you can't help but attract what you desire. Hey, visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Thank you so much. You have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.